Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to deal with PTE listening question type multiple choice, choose multiple answers. Okay, this is going to be a short video and I'll give you some tips and techniques, and after learning all these tips and techniques, when you practice PTE listening, multiple choice, choose multiple answers, you will see improvement in your score. So let's make a start. The first thing is read instructions carefully. For every question type in PTE exam, they will give you instructions. Sometimes students tend to ignore the instructions. So it's a good idea to follow all the instructions. Sometimes the instructions are about word count and timing and all that. So you need to follow the instructions. Another point is focus on keywords. Now, there are options. At times there are 4 options, sometimes 5 options, okay? So you need to focus on the keywords. Now, instead of reading all the sentence, you need to mainly focus nouns, verbs, and adjectives in the options, and when you listen to the text, you need to focus such type of part of speech as well, okay? So your focus and whatever you listen to, you have to visualize that. When you visualize, your retention, your memory will retain that information that you hear, okay? After that, anticipate multiple correct answers. Now, don't just think that there can be one correct answer. Sometimes they say, okay, just you can select as many correct answers as possible. Out of 5, sometimes 2 answers are right. Sometimes 3 answers are right. And there is negative marking here as well, okay? So you can see this can be the right answer. This can be, initially, you can see, all right, I guess B and C, they are right. Now, let me check again. Out of both answers, either one is correct or both are correct, right? So you may anticipate correct answers, multiple correct answers. Eliminate incorrect options. This is the best choice for now. You have to eliminate. When I teach IELTS, I tell my students in multiple choice questions, reading and listening modules, that you need to eliminate. Eliminate means that this cannot be the answer. Out of A, B, C, D, B cannot be the answer. A cannot be the answer. Now we are left with B and D, so there can be one answer. This is called elimination. You might find some choices in multiple choice questions which are totally irrelevant, which are illogical, which do not have any match. So for such type of options, it's a good idea that you eliminate them altogether. Finally, review your selections. Sometimes logically, even if you understand the text, you will not remember all the text, but logically you can find the answer. So review your selection, that this is what I selected, this is what I heard in the audio, and this is my right answer. Let me tell you, practice makes perfect. PTE is a test where students are likely to guess, especially when A, B, C, D, and they don't understand, they guess their answer. So avoid guessing, because guessing will not get you your desired score in PTE. You need to logically find the answer, and then you'll be able to achieve your desired score. All the best, guys. Thank you so much. I also teach PTE online and in campus in Lahore, Pakistan. If you wish to be the part of my PTE online or in campus classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you best of luck with your PTE preparation. Take care. Allah Hafiz.